One of the newest features on Interior Atlas is the exporting of collections. If you don't know how to use the collections, please go and see that video first. So once you have added items to a collection, in this case we are in the Smith residence project, in their master bedroom, all of these items are the items being proposed to the client. You can add text by just clicking on the pencil icon and adding text in the product notes, and anything you add there will be saved underneath the image. If you want to move images around, you just drag them. And then when you want to export, you just click on the export button. In this case, there's a couple of ways to do this. You can export a graphic. You can even add your logo. We'll go ahead and skip that. And then as soon as you hit skip or add your logo, within a few seconds, you'll find the graphic below. You just right-click the graphic, hit Save Image As, and then we'll say Smith Residence is what we'll save it as. Save. And when you open it up, this is what you have. So you can send it directly to a client. And then another way to export it is through a spreadsheet. You just click on Export Spreadsheet, and then within a few seconds you'll find that spreadsheet, and it'll have the images and the links to the items in the images, and here you can use this however you want. You can send it to a client with pricing and quantity, or you can just use it as an internal document.